Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you my summer hair care routine. Right now in the Philippines, the weather is crazy hot. We go till 40 degrees. So my hair really has a tendency to go dry real quick. It has been quite a task to keep my hair conditioned throughout the day. So I'm gonna show you exactly on how you can make your hair feel very soft, smooth, and conditioned in times like this. So let's get started. All right, so let's make the DIY. First, coconut milk. Of course, it's not gonna fall. Fall! Okay, it's not gonna fall. Okay. I'm gonna use 1 can. So what I have here is coconut milk. And then I'm gonna put in some mayo. I'm just eyeballing everything basically. So I have the avocado, almond, and jojoba oil. Every oil here is great for softening and conditioning the hair. So I'm gonna put 5 drops of the avocado oil, so 5 drops of the jojoba oil, and 5 drops of the sweet almond oil. And a splash of rosemary oil, because I'm gonna put this all over my hair and scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it, just so that it would all mix in together. And to actually make this more of a protein / conditioning mask, I'm gonna add in 1 egg in there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do with this mixture is I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator because I want it to be cold and so that it'll harden a little bit. And also, it'll be easy to apply on my hair later, so. Alright, on the other hand, I'm going to be making a rinse. So basically, I will be using my Star Anise rinse. And then I'm just gonna fill that in with water and let it boil. Alright, so it's liquidy, but it's almost ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this. Alright, so this is the situation with the hair right now. Now, I put the hair mask in here just so that it would be easy for me to apply on my hair. So, as you can see, my hair looks like a bird's nest, basically. So, I'm gonna do this by section because not only am I gonna put this on my scalp, but also I'm gonna put this all over my hair. I'm gonna start from here. Ooh, it's a nice cooling sensation. I really do highly suggest you guys get one of these because it makes applying your hair masks a lot easier. This hair mask is really hitting my scalp. So now that my scalp is fully coated, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my hair. Literally my hair looks like a rat's nest. No, a bird's nest. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that all over my hair. And as I said, this is best to actually do this inside the bathroom because it's messy, but here we are. So I'm just gonna leave this on my hair for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off with my shampoo. I'm just gonna use my usual Kerotin collagen shampoo. And then at the bottom part of my hair, I will be using my cream silk conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Star Anise rinse on my scalp for hair growth. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on my hair for another 5 minutes and then just wash it off. Now I'm just drying my hair with a hair towel. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my Kerotin Extensive Thickening Spray. I actually like spraying this on my hair just because it prevents breakage and split ends. I like to spray it most especially on the bottom part of my hair. And I also like how this adds fragrance to the hair as well. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like right now. It actually feels very soft and smooth. However, since I've said that the Philippines right now is crazy hot, I know that by the end of this day, my hair is going to be dry if I don't put or add any oils to it. So what I'm doing right now is I am back to applying my hair vitamins. This is actually more of like a hair oil. So this is what it looks like right here. And I just apply this, I open it, and I know it's not a lot, but I like how this is enough to moisturize the bottom part of my hair. So I start from here. I avoid putting it on my bangs. I know that you think one is enough, but nah, I need to put another one. Just because by and by, it's going to get dry again. That is how hot the Philippines is right now. And I also like that this routine actually helps me get rid of any frizz on my hair. Because sometimes throughout the day, like frizz just happens due to humidity. Sometimes when the sun is out, but the weather is still very humid, it really does affect your hair as well. So, and then whatever's left with in my hand, I put them a bit on top as well. I know my hair looks kind of oily, but this is just enough to prime my hair, to literally prime my hair to combat the heat for the rest of the day. I know I said last time not to overly oil your hair, but right now it seems like that's the only way that my hair would actually survive the crazy heat somewhere right now in my country. And throughout the day, actually, I sometimes use a hair repair or a cuticle oil, and this oil is thicker. So it actually helps the bottom part of your hair stay moisturized and conditioned throughout the day. And of course, from here, I just go ahead and brush my hair because I want to distribute the oils. And I also like that whenever I do this hair keratin, it actually makes my hair really soft and smooth. It means that also my hair becomes strong because this is a combination of using protein and moisturizing my hair, so it keeps everything in balance basically. So my hair feels a lot stronger, but at the same time it feels conditioned and soft. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I hope you all like and enjoy my summer hair keratin. Let me know what kind of weather are you all experiencing in your country, because right now in my country this is summer. Actually, we're heading towards the rainy season, but even if it's raining, the humidity and like the temperature, I don't think goes down. I hope you all like and enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!